Hey there, welcome. From this video, you will learn how to view statistics of your outbound calls with CommPeak VoIP services. The Calls by Destination report provides you with the following data: the total number of all or billable outbound calls per destination, the total call duration and cost, the same information grouped by your SIP accounts, and the data summary for the selected timeframe. You can find the Calls by Destination report under the VoIP Services menu. Apply any needed filters. You can narrow your search by selecting a SIP account, a country, a phone line type, and a preset or custom time range. Then click Search. At the top, you will see the outbound totals for the time frame you have selected, such as the total number of all or billable calls, their duration, and cost. In the table below, the results are broken down by networks. Click Group by SIP account to break the data into separate tables for each account. The output can be downloaded as a CSV file. Just click the button on the right and save it to your computer. That's it! Thanks for watching!